Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this Ultraline gas oven. The customers complain is that these gas burners would not work sometime and they work sometimes. So once in a while they have problem and then I'm here. The unit is working on and off. So when you turn it on, it should come on right away. It's on and off problem. It's almost like a patient and doctor, that when you go to the doctor and you're not feeling sick or the doctor can't find any problem. So what's happening on these units are, I'll show you a trick here. You see that tiny nipple on the right hand side? Right there. That nipple is supposed to be lined up with the igniter, because when you turn it on, when you turn on the switch, it's supposed to spark. It needs to get grounded. It has to find its way to a spark. If that nipple is missing, which is very common when customers are cleaning these burner caps, you see it comes with 3 nipples. Those nipple, if they put it back again like just a normal cap to cover it, the top of the burner, it's still gonna work, but it's not gonna work the way it's supposed to. So really you have to line up the cap, the nipple here, and then that's how it's gonna work perfectly fine. So you're gonna see that, and I will try it again when I change the position of the burner here. The nipple is not straight to the igniter, and I'm gonna turn it on now. Why it's not working? Because the nipple is not straight aligned to the igniter. So if I line it up like this, you'll see the difference. So remember, if your burners are not working the way they're supposed to, or they're working on and off, you want to look at your burner cap and make sure that the nipple is aligned straight to the igniter. That's the first thing. And the second part you want to make sure is that you see tiny holes, really tiny, and there's a lot of them around the burner. You want to make sure they're all clean and there's nothing built up in it. If you ever see, for example, that white spot in here, I'm going to show you. You see this white spot? That's the dirt and debris that's falling down, or food particles that falls down. That will also cause the burner to not work properly, because the gas flow is low in that area. It's not gonna work. So what you can do is, you need a steel brush. I use this. It does a really good cleanup, but you do not have to have a drill. You do not have to have this kind of tool. You just need a steel brush from Dollar Tree or Dollarama store. From Dollar Store, you can get a brush for $2 and then come and brush it all around. Clean all of them one by one. The same thing on this. Clean all around, and then after that, it's okay. If your switch is igniting and you can hear it's sparking like that, if you can hear this kind of spark noise, there's really nothing wrong with your oven. The only thing wrong is that it just needs cleanup. Double check all your burners to make sure all of these nipples are lining up with the igniter on all of them. And the same thing on this one, the nipple here, it's facing the nipple. And the same thing on that one. You see how nice the nipple sits there in front of the igniter. And here you go. This was the service call for today. Thank you.